We got a 2004 Peterbilt 379 long nose. The spec of it, it's got a 475 cat single turbo, 18 speed, 12 front and 40 rears. Just got the power divider. Wheelbase is 244. You can hear the engine running here. Steer tires on them. Steer tires between 70 to 80%. 1122 5s. Yep, put the hood down. It has 63-inch high-rise sleeper. The inside, it's clean. There's no rips or tears. Glass is all good. Paint's all good. It's got one little ripple right here at the very back of the sleeper, the wing. Fenders, there's one little crack here. On the rear drives, tires are 80 to 90%, and there's six tires here that's virgin Goodyear, and they're between 70 to 80%, and there's two on the passenger side on the front drives are 50 to 60, and they are Michelin, and they're a recap tire. Frame's all good. A few little spots where it's peeling. Again, the inside, the dash is all good in it. No cracks in the dash, no rips in the seat, no rips in the upholstery. It's in excellent shape that way. And even for an 04 on the outside, the paint's all good on it. Got the revolving lights on the top. Anyway, we can be reached at SD Trucking Equipment, Fredericton, New Brunswick. Address is 2421 Lincoln Road. We're 1 mile from the Fredericton Airport. Our phone number at the office is 506-357-2760. Steve's cell number is 506-461-3657. And Neil Stewart is at 506-471-3781. Thank you.